let's create an instance of our controller for VPN location. So we can say VPN location controller, which is controller VPN location. Okay, an instance of this with the help of which we can access that. Remove this const from it, and then inside the widget build we can add a condition that if the VPN location controller, if the list, which is VPN free servers available list, if that list is empty, then we can call our retrieve VPN information method. Okay, if the VPN free servers available list is empty, then in that case simply call this retrieve VPN information method, which you know that where we get the where we retrieve all available free VPN servers. So what we do here, we call that method, which is basically this one. Okay, and after it, let's display the locations on the user interface, on the UI, so the user can see it on the screen. So we can say obx, as we are managing the stat using the getXstat management. First we will display an app bar, background color, it will be red accent. The title for this will be, we will display the locations, VPN location or VPN countries, you can say. That is how much total number of VPN server locations we get from the API, which are available for a user, among which the user can choose any server in order to start, or you can say start VPN or connect to any VPN server. Okay, so we will display the location number here. So we can just say that VPN locations, let's give some space, and using the concatenation sign plus, we will now display the length of our VPN list. So we can say VPN location controller dot VPN free servers available list dot length dot to string. So whatever the total number of free server locations, or let's say countries available, the free VPN servers available, we will just display that. If you want to display parentheses in order to make it look good, you can add parentheses around the number. For example, this will be the starting parenthesis, and then after it we can add the concatenation sign plus. Inside the double quotes you can add the ending parenthesis. Okay, so it will be like VPN location. Let's say if total number of VPN server available are 90, then it will be VPN location, and inside the parenthesis we will have that number 90, or let's say 80, or any number of locations available. Then after comes the body. So after app bar we can say body VPN location controller dot is loading new location dot value. So if it is in loading form, that is if it has a value true, then in that case we will display some loading or circular progress. That is a loading widget which we will implement now. Let's give it name as loading, or you can say progressing. Let's give it proper name, loading UI widget. Else, if it is not loading, then the else part will be executed in that case, and in that case basically we have to check. This is basically, now you can say, a ternary nested ternary operator now, or you can say just like the nested if else condition. We are going to check another condition here, and that will be to check the VPN list. So we can say VPN free servers available list. If that list is empty, then in that case we will display no VPN server found UI widget. Otherwise, else we will display the VPN servers data, VPN available servers data. Okay, just like this. Let me break it in pieces so that you can see it. So basically we use a nested ternary operator, just like the nested if else condition. First we check that if the location is loading, still in loading form. In that case we will display the loading UI widget. Otherwise, if it is not loading, then we use another ternary operator in the else part, and that is if the VPN free servers available list, if that is empty, then simply display this widget, which is no VPN server found UI widget. Okay, if the VPN free server available list is empty, then display this widget. Otherwise, else, if the servers are available, if the VPN servers are available, then in that case just display that VPN available servers data.